Wisconsin's Veterans Memorial Park, the High Grounds, is a memorial located in Neillsville that is completely funded by donations. As part of the upcoming Veterans Day celebration, students at Tomah High School have decided to raise funds to support this endeavor. During TWT this week, social studies students will be coming from class to class to collect these donations. Let's help the High Ground continue to honor the veterans who served our country.
Good afternoon, THS. This is Colton with your afternoon announcements. The Air Force recruiter will be in the Commons during lunch on November 7th. Our first career panel will be November 7th. The subject is manufacturing. All 10th through 11th grade students are required to attend. If 9th or 12th grade and interested, sign up your TWT Schoology. Hey DECA students, we will be having our next membership meeting on Tuesday at 7:30. The road to ICDC begins now. Be sure to be there. Interested in athletic training? The athletic training workshop hosted by Gunnarsson will be Saturday, November 16th from 9 to noon in the PT gym. For more information, talk to Lindsay, the athletic trainer, after school. Cost is $20. This is Colton with the afternoon announcements. Have a great day.